Hi, I'm Kevin Castaneda, and this is Kev's Mindset, where we talk everything finance, investing, productivity, and mindset. Okay, so getting straight into the video, we're going to talk about what happened in the market today, why it was so volatile, what went on, what didn't happen, what did happen, full spectrum look. Okay, so in the morning, we kind of had a dip. It was a pretty hard dip, especially in the EV sector and as well as tech and innovation a little bit. Not a little bit, a lot bit, but it was most prevalent in the EV sector, such as Tesla, NIO, XPeng, and CCIV. And CCIV dropped to lows of about 21.2, and as well as Tesla dropping not to lows, but pretty low, to 594, and NIO dropping to about 34.40, XPeng dropping to the 32s range, and it was a pretty volatile morning. It didn't seem like there was much great to go around throughout the day. However, we ended up picking up around midway through the day. We started going up. We ended up going up 10% on Lucid. We ended up going up 4 or 5% on Tesla, 5 or 6% on NIO, and same thing with XPeng, 5 or 6%. And so it was a pretty remarkable market day, and stonks only go up. No, I'm just kidding. Do your own due diligence and make sure you actually care about the companies that you're invested in. So I mostly care about EV, and so that's why I'm mostly talking about that right now. However, the entire market has been feeling some pain recently as interest rates and inflation worries have been kind of scary. And with inflation, kind of investors thinking that inflation is prevalent is a worry. I personally don't think that inflation's coming as bad as people think, and even if inflation does come, it's momentary. There's no reason to sell off all your stocks. It's just buy more, buy the dip, even though it sounds like a Wall Street bets type thing, which Wall Street bets, nothing wrong with it, but they're, buying the dip all the time on a bad company isn't always too great, like SNDL. But many other stocks, it's a good idea to buy the dip because you're getting cheap shit. It's like getting a discount. Like imagine someone told you 40% off at your favorite store. You're like, whoa, 40% off. When you have like $100 budget to go get some clothes, you're like, oh, I'm gonna go get as much as possible. You have to think that way with stocks. It's like, whoa, 40%, down 40%? Let's buy some more. Unless like the company's going bankrupt or something, then I would not advise I'm not advising anything, honestly. This is not financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. However, the market was interesting, and as long as you keep buying the dip, you'll be quite all right. Okay, moving on. So, inflation risk, market being crazy volatile. What are we gonna do with all of this? Okay, honestly, as long as you are steady, keep watching, keep seeing what's going on. Honestly, for company CCIV, which is where I'm most invested in and the company that I'm really looking out for, I would not buy over 25 if you're thinking about investing in CCIV. Personal opinion, under 25 at the moment is great, and after May, above 25, from 25 to 30 is a good price range. And then from then on, as production starts going and everything starts flowing, then we can see what price targets work for Lucid Motors. However, at the moment, nothing over 25 because of the volatility of the market, and there are better deals than Lucid over 25. So that's what I think. Kind of crazy marketplace, and we're just gonna kind of have to wait, see what happens. But that's it for today. Volatile market, crazy inflation, interest rates. Actually, we're going up in the morning. I was like, oh my God, what's going on? But now we're all right. And yesterday we had some issues because there was a family with it wasn't a hedge fund, but it's like a family fund, and they were ridiculously over leveraged, and they got margin called and they couldn't pay the margin, and it kind of set fear in everyone, like, oh, what's going on? But there's nothing to worry. It's like it's not a big incident, it's not a big thing to worry about, so we don't really have to worry about that at the moment. However, it is good to keep in mind that there are people who have margin, and try not be in margin. If you are trading, don't stay out of margin. You can have some, but not over 20%. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. The market day was crazy today, and I'll be back tomorrow to talk about Lucid with some important stuff. and to talk about what happens in the market tomorrow. Thank you guys. This was Kev's Mindset, and I have a link. If you haven't started investing yet, but you are interested, click the link in the description down below and get 2 free stocks when you sign up with a Week1 deposit your first $100. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed.